If your Realme GT Master is completely dead and not powering on, this video provides a step-by-step guide to check input and output voltages for a 100% working dead solution. Learn how to test the motherboard, find short circuits, and repair common power issues. This tutorial is ideal for mobile repair technicians and beginners who want to fix Realme GT Master dead problems quickly and efficiently. Follow our mobile repairing tips to troubleshoot voltage issues and bring your phone back to life. Watch till the end for complete Realme GT Master repair guidance.